Welcome to 3 Attery View. It's a 2-bedroom detached bungalow situated in the village of Yeolmbridge. Yeolmbridge is located a short drive away from the town of Launceston, which has many local amenities. The bungalow behind me has the benefit of a lovely garden, solar panels, off-road parking and a garage. There's 2 bedrooms, one with ensuite and a large kitchen diner. If you'd like some further information or wish to book your viewing, then feel free to give us a call at Weber's Launceston on 015 66 77 6211. In the meantime, please watch this video where we show you around.